In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check live traffic on Apple Maps using your iPhone. It's a straightforward process that will take just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll be able to see real-time traffic conditions right on your device, which can be invaluable for planning your journey and avoiding congestion. First, you'll need to open the Maps app on your iPhone. Simply locate the Apple Maps icon, usually found on your home screen or in your app library, and tap to launch it. Apple Maps is a great tool that not only helps you navigate from point A to B, but also offers real-time information to improve your travel experience. Once in the app, you'll want to consider which map view you'd like to use. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see an option to switch between different map views. You have choices like Standard, Satellite, and Terrain. Each view offers its own perspective. Satellite lets you see an aerial view of the landscape, while Terrain provides information on elevation. Selecting your preferred view is purely based on personal preference or whatever suits the kind of information you're looking to gather. Next up is enabling the traffic view. To do this, start by choosing either the driving or satellite view. After you've switched to one of these, locate the traffic icon within the map interface. This icon is your gateway to accessing live traffic updates. Once activated, your map will start displaying traffic conditions with various colours: yellow for areas experiencing slow traffic, and red for areas where traffic is significantly slow or stop and go. You'll also notice small icons appearing on your map. These are incident markers. Each marker represents a traffic event, such as an accident or road hazard. For a closer look, simply tap on the marker. This action provides more detailed information about the incident, which can be particularly helpful if you're plotting a route and need to avoid certain areas or want to be prepared for any delays. Moreover, Apple Maps allows users to contribute to the community by reporting traffic incidents. If you encounter an accident, hazard, or even speed checks while on your journey, you can easily report it through the app. Participating in this feature not only helps others, but also ensures the traffic data remains as current and accurate as possible. Before we wrap up, it's essential to note that while these features are incredibly useful, they might not be available in every region or country due to varying levels of service availability. So if you find that certain features are not accessible to you, it could simply be due to the local limitations of the service. And there you have it, checking live traffic on Apple Maps with your iPhone. With these simple steps, you can ensure a more efficient and informed travel experience.